Stop! Your viewers are abandoning your videos in the first 10 seconds. I know it hurts. And I'm here with a hook formula that will glue eyeballs to your content. Let's fix that hook right now. Hey, it's Tech Troublemaker, your friendly neighborhood content creator coach who causes tech chaos so you don't have to. I'm giving you the hook formula that will make people stay longer than Chick-Fil-A drive-thru on a Friday night. And man, is that line long.
Welcome to Click-Fil-A. Thanks for clucking with us tonight.
Yeah, can we move it along? Been here 15 minutes.
We're on it, partner. Fresh fries only take a minute to fly the coop.
Great, you survived it. Now, here is the hook formula. H. H is hit a pain point. Start with the real struggle your viewer feels. Say that thing that they're whispering in their creator journal at 2 a.m. Nobody watches my videos. Next, O. O is for curiosity gap. Make them think, wait, what? Tell me more, mysterious internet person. And then the next O is offer a benefit. Let them know what they get if they keep watching. This is where you say those magic words, I will save you time, or I will save you frustration. And then K. K is for keep it short. 10 seconds or less. This is not a moment to go on a side quest. Here's a boring hook. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about thumbnails. No, stop, delete, burn it with fire. Now the hook version. Your thumbnails are costing you views. Most creators mess this up. I will show you one fix that can raise your click-through rate today. See the difference? One makes me want to knit a blanket and fall asleep, and the other one makes me want to grab popcorn and take notes. Now, it's your turn. Write a hook for your next video using the hook method, H-O-O-K, and post it in the comments, and I will give feedback on a few of them. Brave souls only, please. You got this. And if this helped, tap that subscribe button because I drop quick creator tips that help you grow without losing your sanity or selling your soul to the algorithm. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.